Hey, Kerry Russell here from theblogmechanic.com. In this video I want to quickly talk about the Gutenberge Editor that is soon to be released with the WordPress 5.0 version. Now, as I explained in my post that goes along with this video, just this morning a client emailed me with concerns about the Gutenberge Editor breaking her blog, because just recently we've been working on some coding stuff on her website, and of course, you know, she's spent a lot of time and a lot of money on the project in question. So she is naturally concerned that once the Gutenberge Editor is released, that it's going to break all her hard work, and rightfully so. Because at the moment, the Gutenberge Editor, it is still in beta testing mode. It has been for a month or so, I think. And for that reason, I have not installed the Gutenberge Editor on any of the websites I work with, because while it's in beta version, it very will likely break a website either through compatibility issues with your theme or compatibility issues with some plugins installed on your WordPress website. Now, of course, each WordPress website is different. It's a different setup. Each site uses different themes, different plugins, has different functionality. So no one can say 100% sure that the Gutenberge Editor will break your blog. But right now, until WordPress have fixed any bugs, have rolled out any problems with the editor, then it's very likely that it will break your WordPress blog. So after receiving this email, I wanted to do this video because I have already taken steps for my website care plan clients to make sure that the Gutenberge Editor doesn't break their website. Okay, so if you are on my website care plans and you are watching this video, please do not worry, I've already taken care of this for you. But for those of you who have used my services in the past and are not on my email list, I want to show you what I have done to make sure the Gutenberge Editor doesn't break your website, okay? Or doesn't break the website of my clients who are on my website care plans. And if you follow these steps and then wait, you can wait a few months just to make sure all the theme developers or the plugin developers have caught up with the Gutenberge Editor, so everything's compatible. But even when you do switch to the Gutenberge Editor, I highly recommend that you still test it first on a secure staging area, which is just a cloned copy of your WordPress blog on a subdomain name on your hosting account. Okay, so you're testing it in a live environment, an exact environment of your hosting server, the setup of your web host, and that way you're going to be 100% safe and you're not going to run the risk of your website breaking if you decide to use the editor, the new Gutenberge Editor. So right now I'm logged into my WordPress blog. I've temporarily disabled the solution I'm about to show you. So if you log into your WordPress blog, I just want to scroll to the bottom, because assuming you are using the current latest version of WordPress, which is version 4.9.8, okay, at the very top of your dashboard, so once you've logged in, you've gone to the dashboard tab, you're going to see this section, okay, and it says install Gutenberge, install the classic editor. So what you want to do right now is install the classic editor. It's basically just a plugin which has the same functionality as the default WordPress editor that is currently being used on your WordPress website. And once you've installed this, even when version 5.0 comes out with the Gutenberge Editor as its default editor, it doesn't matter, you can still continue to use this classic editor, okay? So what you need to do today, okay, is log into your blog, go to the dashboard tab, go to the install the classic editor and just click the button. It will literally take you just a couple of seconds and it will be so worth your time to actually do this. So that's installed, and then just activate the button. Okay, now if you go to plugins and you go to installed plugins, you should see the classic editor, which is just here, installed on your WordPress blog. And this is the only way to make sure that the Gutenberge editor doesn't break your website if you've not tested it already on a staging area. Okay, so I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments in the comments box below this video, and let me know how you get on. Also, I'd be interested to know if you've already tested the Gutenberge editor, or if you do plan on using it when WordPress version 5.0 comes out. So leave your comments in the comments box. I'd love to know where you're at. Okay, bye for now.